showtime.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Chorus Line Theater for this evening's show. And now, please help me welcome your host, your cruise director, Tom Hopkins.
Thank you. Good evening. Hello. Let's see if your orchestra, ladies and gentlemen, right down. You do it. Do you all agree?
Whoa!
Please welcome the cast and orchestra in Signed, Sealed, Delivered.
Time show now. Time show, bro. Enjoy, yeah?